Hi there, I wanted to highlight a new feature in Canva today, which is their brainstorming and mood boards. I recently used this feature with a client for a brand photography session, thought it was great, and if you too collaborate with other creatives or people on your team or clients, I thought I would deconstruct what I made and hope it helps you as well. So here we go. So this is the mood board that I created for my client. And as you can see, when you type in brainstorm in the search function, all these other options pop in. So I just wanted to show you, I'm just going to add this page. Here you have an option, and this is all, as you can see, each box highlights and you can edit each box. This is one example of an option. You have this style of these notes. So this is an idea book, but if you had different pages, some project that you are working on, that is also a great idea. Let me go back in here and do the search for brainstorm, X out of here. And you can see there's so many different great options to choose from and how you're planning a project or an event. Here's one: start, stop, and continue. And the best part is that you can share, which is up here, by just adding in their email. They can now also look at the board and make their edits. So here we go. This form that I use had like two different formats, and this is where you sort of begin. So you can see, you can have animated circles here, and you can have a color palette and show the images, and from the one I created up here, change the sizes. Okay, so I simply went through and removed the images. I kept these and made edits. I just made them a little bit bigger. I didn't need this. All of this information, if you wanted to grab more, you can pull more up from here. I put my mood board where you can have any text. Brainstorm. Okay. Now you can see I have a series of pictures, and we had two photo shoots for this specific client. One involved this amazing Volkswagen car, and then another was at a business type location. So in my folders, I have my folder of images. And here I'm just clicking on one, and as you can see, it popped on the board, and I can now just move that around. Maybe this is the actual car. You want to put like the business name of where we're getting this car from, and you can change the font too if you don't like that font and you want something that you can see a little bit more. Here we go. That's the company. Maybe you want to do a to-do list of someone needs to contact them. We can change out the color palette just by clicking on this square. Let's just pop some colors in here. Change this one, and maybe we'll go with a gray. Let's go with white. Okay, move all these around. And can really get into all the details. I added my information down below by simply just clicking and dragging across, and I deleted all this information. You can just add that in. And I simply pulled in, you can just go up here to upload, and I uploaded images that I thought would be great for our session. And I just pulled them in. My client wears Converse sneakers, so we knew we needed to bring some of those into, and we can add a note for sneakers. We knew we wanted to do some desktop overhead images, wanted to give some examples of those. This was a cute image. And as you can see, you're building out this mood board. And once you share it, you'll see initials and where they have made changes as well. So when you both are looking at this. Okay. So in the end, it comes out like this. You can really have a lot of creative fun with your clients or with your team. And I hope this helps. Thank you so much. Bye.